In this video, I will guide you how to insert picture in Word and move it. First, place the cursor on the page where you want to insert image. And after that, go to the insert on the top ribbon. Here is the insert. Click on that and click on the picture. And then click on this device. And after that, find out where is your picture on the desktop. For example, I'm selecting this picture, and here you can see that picture is inserted in Word document. Here you can drag this point and resize the image. So if you try to move it, it is not moving. I'm trying to move it, it is not moving. So how you can do that? Let's click on the layout option and click on this square option. Once you do that, and click on the move with text, and now you can move the picture anywhere on the document. So this is pretty simple and easy. In this way, you can easily insert picture in MS Word and move it. I think this video helps you to understand the process. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.